Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on Bluetooth scanning for better navigation in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for our Bluetooth scanning options, we have to go to Settings, then in Location menu we have Location Services. Bluetooth scanning is turned off. What does it do? Let apps use Bluetooth for more accurate location detection even when Bluetooth is off. So, to improve our accuracy, we have to enable this option and simply back out to the main menu. Now our Bluetooth scanning is enabled, and even if our Bluetooth is turned off in our device, our phone will connect to other Bluetooth devices for better accuracy in our navigation. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.